Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha MT-09. This bike is powerful 847cc triple. It's got the torque, it's got the horsepower, awesome looking styling with the day glow wheels, matte silver paint scheme. It's only got 2,100 miles on it. This is a badass machine. Come on by. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. Make your naked power sport dreams come true with this 2020 MT-09 Street Fighter. Only $87.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. We check us out on the web, www.constracostapower.com.